Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video we are going to discuss how we can install ChatGPT app on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. So if you had installed PWA for ChatGPT on Windows 11, now for any reason if you want to install it, you can simply follow this method. To install ChatGPT, simply on the search option, search for ChatGPT, and here you will find ChatGPT application. Right click on it and here click on install button, and it will redirect you to the app installation settings. Here search for ChatGPT. So here we have our ChatGPT application. Simply click on this three dot icon, then click on install, and again click on install button to confirm the changes, and here simply click on also clear data from Chrome, then click on remove button, and it will install ChatGPT application from your Windows computer. So that's it. This is how you can install ChatGPT app on Windows 11. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.